Well, here it is, 5:30 a.m. in the morning. Wow, 5:30 a.m. We're not allowed to smoke in our building anymore, so now we have to smoke out here. This is okay. I can handle it. I can handle it. I can handle it. But okay, this side. Look how peaceful it looks over here. This is the courthouse. Duncan's just opened up the doors. Wow. Fall Rivers always looks better in the morning. Morning and dusk. Sun up, sun down. I still can't figure out what that explosion was. I heard it was loud. Could have been a truck, but I don't know. That was pretty loud. Pretty loud. I don't know. Nice and cool out here. It's not too cold. It's not too warm. It's like air. It feels like your air conditioner is on low. That's what it feels like. All right, Dunkin' Donuts. Remember, keep it real.